Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to change the speaker to output sound on your Windows 11. So if you have connected multiple speakers on your Windows 11, now you need to change the speaker to output the sound on your Windows 11. So you can follow this method. So I am going to show you two methods. So first method is this guys, open your Windows settings. Use the shortcut key to open these settings. Hold Windows key button and press I. So with this help of shortcut key guys, you can easily able to open your Windows settings. Okay, in the Windows settings guys, from the left panel you need to select system, and in the right panel you can get the option sound. Just click on it. Okay, and in the sound section guys, you can select your output speaker. As you can see, choose where to play sound. So if you have connected multiple speakers on your Windows 11, from here you can get the list of your speaker. From here you can easily able to select that particular speaker to output the sound on your Windows 11. So this is the first method. So second method is this guys. Second method is very simple. Just you need to click on your volume icon on the taskbar. Just click on it like this, and here just extend this volume option like this. From here you can get the connected speaker on your Windows 11. Just select that speaker. So this is the very easy and very simple method. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy our video, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.